Hello everyone, today I will show you how to save all images from a PDF file as the JPEG format. And this is a PDF file and I will save and extract all of these images. Select convert option and here you will find this export all images option. Click here and select desktop or any other and select folder and here select your JPEG format and now click on the setting option. Here you can set a specific page images or select all pages, and image quality you can select high quality or low, and I'll remain this default setting and select OK. Now finally select save and see this all of these images now save, and select this properties option and see this JPEG format. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.